Hello everybody, I have some language arts for you. We are first going to read together one of our Decodable Reader Big Books. This is number 4, so this is just a review for us to kind of go over things. We are going to talk about the short O, ah, ah, ah. We are going to talk about the letter C, k, 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 and the letter H. Our titles of our stories in our Decodable today are Pop, 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 and Cat in a Cap, and Hot, Hot, Hot. Do you remember those from the beginning? Just a quick review. Here we go. You see that? Pop, pop, pop. Nicely exclamation points. Mom has a pot. Tom has a bag. Tom sat on a stool. He sat and sat. He's waiting patiently, isn't he? Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Ooh, what are they making? Do you like popcorn? Me too. I like it, Mom. Tastes good. Wait, your house, do you make popcorn on the stove or in the microwave? We do it both at my house, depending on what we want. Next story, Cat in a Cap. Cam is a cat. Cam is in a cap. It's a baseball cap, isn't it? Look back here, we have some context clues. I see a boy in a uniform, baseball uniform. I see a bat. Cam is little. What's a little cat called, a baby cat? Yes, kitten. Cam can fit. Cam can nap. Oh, the little cat is napping in his cap. Go, Cam. Says, get out of here. I need my hat. Why do you think he needs his hat? I think he has a game too. Sam can play. Now he can go play because the cat is out of his cap. All right, here we go. Hot, hot, hot. The weather is hot. The sun is shining. Oh, bless you. Pat is hot. Pat cannot hop. It's too hot to hop. Hen is hot. Bless you. Hen cannot hit. Said it's too hot. I can't play ball now. It's too hot. It is a hat. Can a hat help keep you cool? It'll shade your face from the sun. It is a cap. This is a nice friend. He's bringing him a hat, bringing him a cap. We can play. They're playing baseball too, huh? Yeah. Baseball is one of our favorite sports in our house. It is. All right, so that's just our quick little review. All right, I would like you to have your shared reading out. We are talking about holidays. We are in units 7 and 8. I'm going to get myself to the right page here. I go to the red ones. There it is. Take a look. I'm going to adjust this just a little bit so you can see my pictures. There we go. Perfect. Okay. All right. So, do you recognize this man? We talked a lot about him. Do you know his name? Yeah. Martin Luther King Jr. That is right. That is our next one we are going to be talking about. Today, I want you to take a look at these two men. These are presidents. Let's read. President's Day. We celebrate President's Day every February. We honor two great presidents, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. Washington fought for our country's independence. He was our first president. Abe Lincoln ended slavery. Both lived many years ago, but we still never forget them. So George Washington was our first president of the United States of America, and Abraham Lincoln. Do you remember the stories that we read about these presidents? Do you remember Abraham Lincoln had the big tall hat? Do you remember that? And he fought to end slavery, which we talked a lot about back in February. So I would like you to have your shared reading out. We're on pages 6 and 7. And what you have on your shared reading is exactly what I just read you. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit closer for the shared reading part of it. Whoop, there we go. Perfect. All right. So one more time with your tracker, President's Day. We celebrate President's Day every February. We honor two great presidents, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. Both lived many years ago, but we will never forget them. So we are going to go to circle all of the words that start with a W, W, W. And that's a W. So we're going to take our pen and we're just going to go there. Oh, there's one. All the words that start with a W, W, W. Okay. Oh, there's another one. We know that word. That's we. So there's a W, but it doesn't start. The word doesn't start with it, so we're skipping it. Oh, there's one. Washington. Good. Good. We will. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 W's, and we always circle it, don't we? All right, we are looking for the word to, TW0, and we're going to underline it. So let's find the word TW0. Oh, there it is. Oh, there we go. Let me just see, be sure that that's the only one. Okay. All right, we're going to put a happy face today by our favorite part. So which is your favorite part? We celebrate President's Day every February. We honor two great presidents, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. Both lived many years ago, but we will never forget them. What's your favorite part? I am going to put a little happy face by the word celebrate, because I like it when we celebrate great people in our history. Okay, we are going to be, Natalie, I am filming. We are going to be writing a sentence. We're not going to be doing that because that's too easy peasy. We already know that. We do the same thing each day. So we're going to be writing a whole sentence. So what are some ideas that you might have for sentence writing? Remember, we're going to write a sentence in response to what we read. So it's got to be something having to do with our presidents and how we celebrate them. We could even say something about why they are important. So let's think about it. We have our first president and our president that helped us to end slavery. Very, very important, both of them. So how about if we do a picture and a sentence that says, we will continue, that's a long word, to celebrate. Whew. Presidents. Don't forget your period. Now you can do a picture of an American flag. I think we did that recently, didn't we? With the stars and the stripes. I'm sorry, I'm sitting on the floor, so it's a little bit hard for me to do a good job with my picture. Sorry about that. But you could draw a picture of George Washington. You can do it right here. You can draw his funny hair. He does have funny hair, doesn't he? Here's his nose. I'm gonna do his mouth. He doesn't smile that big. Not a really big smile. His eyes. He's got eyebrows that look like that. That looks mad, doesn't he? Whoops. Okay. Drawing his shirt there. And his shoulders. And you can write George Washington. And you can write first, because he was the first president, or you could draw a picture of Abraham Lincoln. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Don't forget to color it. I'm doing that on your own. Have a great day. I will see you this afternoon with a story. Bye-bye.